So for question 5A part 3, I'm going to use the same substitution as before. I'm going to say that t is equal to x squared. So if I rewrite x squared is, or x to the power 4 is like x squared to be squared, so that's like t squared. Take away 2t minus 2 equals 0, and I'm not going to do it out, but using your minus b formula, a is 1, b is minus 2, and c is minus 2. I get that t equals, it's either 1 plus root 3, or if you change it to a decimal, it's 2.73. And t equals, you always get two answers, 1 minus root 3, or that is minus 0.73. But that's t. I was asked to find x. So I know that t is equal to x squared. So if t is 2.73, take the square root of both sides, and the square root of 2.73 is 1.65. Or t equals x squared. If t is minus 0.73, if I square root both sides, but the problem is you can't find the square root of a negative number. It's not a real number, so that answer isn't true, and your answer is 1.65. That's also written as the square root of 1 plus root 3 as well, if you left it in surd form. Then for part 4, so this is question 5A, part 4. I am going to say that t, again you could multiply it out, but I'm going to say that t is equal to k minus 2 because it asked us to use substitution. So my new sum is everywhere I see a k minus 2, I'm going to swap it for a t. So it's 2t squared minus 3t minus 4 equals 0. Again, if I use my minus b formula, I get that t is equal to 2.35 and t is equal to minus 0.85. But again, I wasn't asked for t, so I know that t is equal to k take away 2. I'm asked to find k. So if t is 2.35 and bring this 2 across, it becomes plus. That gives me 4.35, and that's to 2 decimal places. Or on the other side, t is equal to k minus 2. So t is minus 0.85. Bring the minus 2 across, it becomes plus, and you get k equals 1.15. Sub them both in and both answers work.